Yokozuna to the WWE Championship.
And looking at all the top young talent in this ring, I see many other main event stars of the future that could follow the lineage of Yoko.
Steiner Brothers.
Answer after answer for each other's offense.
A steady stream of moves taking out Steiner.
And I don't see Samu slowing down anytime soon.
And now the tag.
And talk about giving a DDT with authority. And an inverted atomic drop.
The Headshrinkers and Steiners are two of the brightest young teams in WWE. But
and he goes for the pin. Strong kick out there.
Kicking out there really has to make his opponent question his game plan.
Placing him in the corner. Oh, he had that scouted.
clothesline. What impact.
And he got to his partner.
Pulls their opponent in.
Belly to belly. The whole world is focused on WrestleMania 9 tonight. The last thing you want to do is come out on the wrong side of a match like this.
That's right. A big win at WrestleMania means a big boost in the tag divisions and a substantial winner's purse.
I don't think the Headshrinkers concern themselves much with the financial matters, Saxton, but they are dead set on proving they're the toughest dudes around. Oh, headbutt.
Uh-oh! Oh, here we go with the headbutt to the gut!
Oh, headbutt.
Oh, right across the solar plexus.
Smothering offense now from Fatu.
And Scott's got to flip the switch soon.
And all that Steiner muscle did him no good there.
Yeah, Fatu just brought the fight to him.
Ooh! Oh! What a headbutt. Oh, man, jarring headbutt. The claw is in.
Agonizing.
Oh! Oof! Boom impact.
And now Scott is getting beaten down.
The attacks will not relent from Fatu.
And Scott with the wherewithal to counter.
Steered away there.
Clothesline, so effective. That's using your head.
And I think that just opened him up. Yep, certainly did. Goodness, look at the blood flowing.
He could be starting to really struggle in this match.
At this point in the match, I say make the tag and recover as much as you can.
Fatu got surprised there.
And Steiner is finally changing the tempo with that attack.
Yeah, Steiner's survival instincts are taking over.
And now placed in the corner.
Oh, my goodness, double gut buster. That might have broken some ribs.
Elbow drop. This could do it for the win. Fights the shoulder up and one.
Not quite enough to put him away.
Boom! Read that one.
Clothesline. Clothesline. Oh, that'll leave a mark. Oh, my goodness.
Just punishing their opponent.
Oof, did you hear the thud on that impact? Devastating cranial impact with that move. Oh. Draped across the top rope.
Oh, clubbing forearm. Fatu is imposing his will.
And Steiner needs to find an opening fast.
Oh, that'll rattle the insides of your head.
Oh, my goodness. Ah, what a smash.
That is just insulting.
Headbutt to the gut!
Down opponent. And a double axe handle smash. Clubbing four. Big clothesline. Debilitating elbow drop.
And Fatu got tested there.
And Steiner attacked like a cornered dog there.
Just punishing their opponent.
Oh, the headbutt. Oh, what a headbutt. Oh, my goodness. Uh-oh.
You saw that being telegraphed.
Dropped him with a big shoulder tackle.
Fatu took some crucial damage there.
Rick Steiner wielding his power with expert know-how. Big headbutt.
I don't know, guys. That just opened a pretty nasty cut on Steiner.
Stomping. Ouch. Double axe handle.
Another vicious attack to his head.
That's the kind of offense that could ruin your whole balance. Clubbing four. Oh, my goodness. Dribbling the opponent's head like a basketball.
That's using your head. Rick is losing grip of this match now.
I don't see Fatu slowing down anytime soon.
Boom! Sometimes in the middle of a hard-fought match, you need a snack. Headbutt.
Oh, there's a headbutt. And guys, I'm getting worried here as the attacks to the head continue.
Yeah, this is not a good situation.
Headbutt.
Golly.
Right into the shoulder. That's gotta hurt. Fatu is really showing his vicious side.
Steiner's being kept in check.
Boom! Good defense from him. Scouted it and fired back with a punch straight to the face.
Fatu prevents that from connecting.
Driven down. And he is directed into the corner.
Eludes the attack.
And his corner might be a bigger target now. Oh, the reversal by Steiner.
Hoisted up on their shoulders. Into.
Fatu might be defeated here. Oh, ref in the way there.
Steiner has set his target.
Oh, Steiner fell right into that one. Oh,
What a headbutt.
and guys, what a war we're witnessing between the Steiners and the Headshrinkers.
This is the trickiest bet in all of Vegas, Cole. Both teams so evenly matched, I wouldn't know who to bet on.
Steiner making clear he has his number.
Somebody's got to put a stop to this. Uh-oh. Counter. Saw it coming.
And gets sent right into the corner.
And he counters.
Off the ropes, there's a reversal. Good God! Picked out of midair into a power slam.
Bear hug, squeezing the breath out of them.
It's hooked in deep. His body's furiously trying to fight his way out of the bear hug. Can he do it? Yes!
Clothesline. Uh-oh. Oh, well scouted by Steiner.
Several reversals. Neither superstar able to penetrate their opponent's defense. Counter after counter. Neither superstar getting the clear advantage.
With authority. Headbutt. Ooh, headbutt.
Nothing pretty about that.
Then an
knee right to the throat. A steady stream of moves taking out Steiner.
The attacks will not relent from Samu.
Steiner showing how much punishment he can withstand before getting his own offense in.
This could be the turning point for him. It could be the start of a rally.
That puts a stop to Steiner.
Clothesline! What impact!
Sends the knee into the face. That'll stop you. Turns it around.
He's pushing back now.
Rick trying to bring the fight back in this one.
As a setup in the corner of the ring.
Counters to gain the advantage.
He quickly gets out of dodge.
A quick reversal by Samu.
Wait for it.
Alabama slam.
Ooh, bullseye.
In off the tag.
Oh, man, he is fired up now.
Oh, that hurt. And now the shoulders down.
This might be it.
And he kicks out of the pin and one.
Unbelievable display of will in the late stages of this matchup.
Bear hug, squeezing the breath out of him.
Just excruciating pain. There's no way. The bear hug cinched in. Gotta find a way out and catch your breath.
Look at this, no quit whatsoever. Raining down elbows and escaping the bear hug. And the clothesline.
He has to be nearly at his breaking point now.
I think we can consider this the beginning of the end, gentlemen. Middle rope forearm on point.
Being placed in the corner here.
What a clothesline in the corner.
Savage stomp right to the arm.
Scott looks to be in control here.
Steiner's bringing the fight to Samu and Fatu right now.
But it's like it doesn't even hurt the Headshrinkers. All it does is slow them down.
Setting in, devastating submission coming.
This is grueling. Look at the torque happening here.
Right now he's looking for anyone to break out of this, and he does. Clothesline.
Good Lord.
So effective.
What a barrage of stops. And one more for good measure. The stomp in every single part of his body.
Tag it in.
Oh, what a headbutt.
Right into the shoulder. That's gotta hurt. What a smash.
That is just insulting. Smashing the head into an unforgiving surface.
Agonizing.
Gosh.
Steiner looking powerless to every attack.
And Steiner needs to find an opening fast.
Stop after stop after stop. Oh, Steiner anticipated that.
Clothesline. So effective. Able to make the tag.
And boy, was it needed.
The adrenaline is pumping, and the WWE Universe is on his side.
Steiner fell right into that one.
The Headshrinkers, the Steiners, taking each other to the limit in the biggest match of their careers.
And this may just be the greatest tag match we've seen in nearly a decade of WrestleManias.
Turns that away. Oh, this, what a headbutt. Ooh.
Draped across the top rope.
Wow. Clubbing forearm. Boom! dangerous here.
Rolling power slam.
And now going for the victory.
Is this it?
And a win for the Steiner Brothers.
Here are your winners, Rick and Scott, the Steiner Brothers.
What a physical match. What a war we've just seen, ladies and gentlemen.
What a hard-fought victory for these two brothers from Michigan.